attention, please.
This is literally a first. We were just eating dinner at New Orleans and Cafe New Orleans, and the fire alarm went off. So all of New Orleans Square is now closed. They've had to close Pirates. They've closed off the bathrooms. They've basically evacuated the area. And we're just kind of waiting. Hopefully we can get our food because they said you can leave. So if you pretty much finish your meal, it's pretty much free food. But we're curious about, like, for us, because our food's obviously going to be cold when we go back in. But this is the first, and nobody knows what to do exactly. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, so as I just mentioned, we had the fire alarm, and if you're ever eating during a fire alarm, eat as fast as you possibly can because it's going to be free if it's a sit-down restaurant. So we were obviously at New Orleans, our Cafe Orleans, and just eat literally as fast as you possibly can if it's a sit-down restaurant because they will not charge you. So we were halfway through our food. Obviously, I just stated, fire alarm went off, and we went back because it was cleared, all cleared. But we found out it's not. It takes another half hour for the restaurant to reset. They have to reset everything. They have to clean everything. You can't go back to your food because obviously people might sit in the wrong spot and eat your food or whatnot. So they have to completely reset, and it's basically free. But we have fast passes to make. So just a little tip for you guys. If you do have our weird circumstance, definitely eat as quick as you possibly can. Or take it with you. They said you could take it with us, but we were like, oh, it's a little mistake, blah, blah, blah. But it is what it is. We got free food in Disneyland, which not everybody can say. So New Orleans Square was nuts because everybody left. But like I said, it's an experience. We had fun while it lasted. So, and now we're stuck in lines. So avoid everything around anything whenever you hear that a whole land is shut down. Because Adventureland is absolutely nuts, even though New Orleans is now reopened. It's just insane. But we can officially say we've been at Disneyland when there's been a fire alarm. So that's kind of fun. It's always fun when something funny happens.
You see those things on top of the straws? They're new light up things.
Uh-oh. Ashley found new light up cup things. Say that again? I don't know. So Ashley just asked, New Orleans Square shut down. Would Indy shut down because it's right next to it? I don't know. But we did notice that the train shut down, which to me is a huge thing because that kind of throws off the entire park. So there's a big chain reaction when the fire alarm goes off in one land. So just a heads up. Moana. What? Ashley's got something to say.
Don't stand in the middle of the walkway if there's big crowds. You just screw everything up. Move to the side. Thanks. That's it.
That is your public address announcer.
What?
Nothing. I was thinking like the PBS commercials. Like, oh, you got a special news bulletin. Oh, that's how I should have done it. Next time, guys. Next time. Yeah, and especially if you guys have strollers, kids, move over. Just scoot to the side.
Everyone else, it's the workers. The workers, we make it harder for them.
Yeah, it's not just for guests. It's like workers, and when you have situations, you know, like the fire alarms or shows getting out, and you've got a huge crowd coming, and you get one person that stops in the middle, it's just gonna ruin everything. So like one thing can lead to a massive backup, and it's just not fun. So I think we're gonna head out of the park, go to DCA, ride all our fast passes, then come back, ride Thunder, then call it a night. So then, let's see, what else? We have Radiator Springs, Soaring, Thunder, and anything else I can come up with. So we're gonna make a pit stop at the lockers. So I think I think that's about it. We'll see you at Cars Land. Okay, I always overemphasize the off-road. I think it's because it's so cool.